Hello everybody, I'm Fanjie. Now it's mid of night, and today is the first day moving in our new home. Have no kitchen at all, but we have the fridge, and then we can cook just noodles. But at least we are not hungry. So fridge is very important because now is summer, and all our living room is all of the box. You can see that this is our kitchen. Look, this is my kitchen table. I cooked it. Oh my God! But it's nice. It's my first time being in our so special. In new place they have no kitchen, but all of the kitchen things we have, just no kitchen. And then in the kitchen totally empty. I have many things have to putting on. So my husband he say, I have to make this sideboard for you. Can put in all of the things. And then now, tomorrow he have to go to work, but tomorrow I have one day off. So I have to do these things. It's my first time try that. And he had a little bit pain of the legs, but hey, I'm a superwoman. I can do everything. I asked him, for sure you are married, is lady? Maybe I'm half man. Maybe I'm call myself lady and a boy. I call lady boy. I really putting this is inside, but this is very sharp. You have to be careful, don't cut your fingers. You see, this is for the feet protection. I have the 4 of this. Look at that. I have the menu. How to do it? Just follow that. You can scan this one, and then they have the video show you how to do it. So you see. It's not so difficult than you're thinking. I'm thinking everyone can do it. So now I have to put in another one in here. Look, this is the gummy. Since it's make sign, it's very silent. So I have to do it. Be careful. I have to put in this all inside. Yeah, look great here. Have not. Inside. Really, it's inside. Oh, outside. This is not good. Doesn't dare go outside. This is not like you thinking so easy. Okay, this side is in. Just now checking here. This lip outside. This cannot. Don't. Yeah. Again, a little bit outside. How can you change there or inside? Okay. Yesterday was too late. And it's too late to make loud, it's not good. So I was wake up today morning. I have to continue to that. You see, this is I did already. Some one day are not good. Some one day are like this. It's not so strict. So you see here, it's a little bit. Here, they're not strict. Go inside, it's difficult. I try many times, doesn't work. So I want to try last time, and then I have to put it inside. You see, this is already before I made it. nicely. Today my husband, he go to work, so I'm at home. So I will continue this job. So scared, so loud. But today is a working day, no problem. It's daytime. Okay. You've been precise. Yeah. Make this cover protect a little bit. Okay, finally inside. Not easy things. Oh, this side is easy to get inside. Okay, totally in. Now I have to do another round. These longer ones. These ones. This ribbon inside is tough. Nobody helped me to hold it. So see, this is alone doing, singer doing the things is not a good idea. But I promised my husband I have to finish today. Have a lot of things to do. All the room is messy. All the boxes are laying in the floor. So I have to finish it. Thinking how to standing out there. Yeah, I have to do it. I did. I put it inside. See? So now we can little bit standing. I was let these things lay in the box. So otherwise they are shaky, cannot do anything. So now I have to do other side. Look, now it's better. Still have some piece in the floor. Have to finish it. Look nicer, huh? Hey, now I have to make it this sideboard again and try to put it inside. We're using this hammer. Boom. Now I have to do here. 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 Inside. Very good. Almost finished. Just in the middle of this one. Yeah. Almost finished. Guys, I'm finished. But the return, you see here is smaller, here is bigger. But I don't know how to do. Over there, they have something is return because they had two made in one. So, I don't know. For my husband, he will say, this is not good. But I will explain to him. Below the big ones, we can put in big box inside. The smaller, we put in smaller inside. It cannot be all the same size. Maybe he accepted. I don't know. I hope he accepted. So thanks everyone watching my video. I hope you liked that. But every day I will make new one. I make it original is my life, my daily life. Every day what I'm doing, share it to everyone. So thanks to everyone. See you next time. Bye bye.